Welcome to the Diesel Exhaust Fluid Overview. We appreciate your interest in learning more about diesel exhaust fluid and your Ford diesel-powered truck. Most of the information shown here is also located in your owner's guide and diesel supplement in your glove box. Diesel exhaust fluid is a mixture of water and urea. Europe has used urea to reduce diesel exhaust emissions for years. Recently, the United States government has required its use with diesel engines. Your diesel vehicle has a selective catalytic reduction or SCR system that helps reduce the oxides of nitrogen levels from the engine exhaust. The system automatically injects diesel exhaust fluid into the exhaust for proper SCR operation, sort of like a blender on steroids. In order for the SCR system to properly reduce emissions, the diesel exhaust fluid level must be maintained. Generally, the diesel exhaust fluid tank should be filled during the oil change service interval. If you're curious about your diesel exhaust fluid level, using the message center will tell you whether or not the level is okay. Use the steering wheel buttons to navigate through the message center. Exhaust fluid level is located in the main menu under System Check. First, select Information and press OK. Then select System Check and press OK. Finally, select Exhaust Fluid and press OK. Exhaust fluid level OK is displayed when the remaining diesel exhaust fluid level is above 1/2 full. Exhaust fluid under 1/2 full is displayed when the remaining diesel exhaust fluid is under 1/2 full. Your Super Duty is intelligent. Just like the oil change message, diesel exhaust fluid warning messages are automatic. As the diesel exhaust fluid level nears empty, messages will display, starting with the exhaust fluid range 800 miles. This message allows you plenty of time to fill the diesel exhaust fluid tank, preferably at your next fuel fill-up. If you see this in the message center, exhaust fluid range 300 miles, the diesel exhaust fluid symbol will automatically be displayed and chimes will sound along with the message. For this and the following messages, the diesel exhaust fluid tank must be refilled to resume normal operation of the vehicle with no speed limiting and no messages. In 99 miles, speed limited to 55 miles per hour, exhaust fluid empty, is displayed when your diesel exhaust fluid is nearing empty. The vehicle's top speed will become limited in the displayed distance. Speed limited to 55 miles per hour upon restart, exhaust fluid empty, is displayed when the remaining diesel exhaust fluid level is depleted. Speed will be limited upon restart. Speed limited to 55 miles per hour, exhaust fluid empty, is displayed when the diesel exhaust fluid is empty. Engine idled upon refuel, exhaust fluid empty. Further vehicle operation without refilling your diesel exhaust fluid will cause the engine to enter an idle-only condition. This will only occur upon vehicle refueling and will be indicated by a message in the message center indicating required actions to resume normal operation. If the system becomes contaminated, the diesel exhaust fluid light will illuminate and contaminated exhaust fluid messages will appear in the message center. For this and the messages that follow, the diesel exhaust fluid must be replaced to resume normal operation of the vehicle. Speed limited to 55 miles per hour upon restart, contaminated exhaust fluid, is displayed when the diesel exhaust fluid is contaminated. Speed will be limited upon restart. Speed limited to 55 miles per hour, contaminated exhaust fluid is displayed when the diesel exhaust fluid is contaminated. The message, "Engine idled upon refuel, contaminated exhaust fluid," indicates further vehicle operation without replacing your diesel exhaust fluid will cause the engine to enter an idle-only condition. This will only occur upon vehicle refueling without replacing the contaminated diesel exhaust fluid. So now you can see that diesel exhaust fluid is actually a benefit to your Ford truck and the environment. We hope to see you at the next Advance in Ford Vehicle Technology Made Simple presentation.